peptide is a connector piece and part of the molecular belt system. The peptide is connected to a core piece that has been pre-selected with a hook and loop closure that goes through the rectangular ring in the core piece. The peptide has many features, which include a Magnon Electrolyte Pocket. This could also be used for chapstick and other things as well too. This has a patent-pending magnetic closure which automatically snaps shut. In addition to this, the peptide has an elastic mesh pocket that will allow you to carry up to 2 packets of energy gel or other things in here as well. The peptide is attached to the other end of your core piece via an adjustable speed hook. The adjustable speed hook is put inside the receiver. The adjustable speed hook allows the peptide to fit up to 48 inches. Then the front pocket on the peptide will slide along the belt so that you can have it in perfect position for you so you can get at it quickly during your race or event. The peptide, a connector piece from UltrAspire.